You sit down to study. The book is open. The goal is clear, but your mind, it's somewhere else. You feel the guilt creeping in. You tell yourself you're lazy, you're not focused enough, you're just not smart enough. But what if I told you? The problem isn't you. The problem is the system you've been taught. You're not lazy. You're just using the wrong tools. 4. Get everything you think you know about studying. Stop thinking of your brain as a hard drive you need to fill with facts. From today, I want you to see yourself as an architect. Your mind is not a warehouse, it's a workshop. Your knowledge is not a pile of bricks, it's a set of powerful tools. And your goal is not to study, it's to build. You're not just memorizing for an exam show. You're building a structure of understanding that will support you for the rest of your life. And every great structure needs a blueprint. Here is your blueprint, follow it, and you will build anything you want. Step 1. Define the mission. This is your cornerstone. Most students fail because their goal is vague. Study chemistry is a wish. 2. Understand how enzymes work is a mission. Your brain needs a clear target. Define your cornerstone for the day. Just one. Step 2. Lay the foundation with active learning. Don't just read the words, interrogate them. Ask why, how, what does this connect to? This is called active recall. It's the single most effective study technique. Science proves it increases memory retention by over 200% compared to passive rereading. You have to engage with the material, draw diagrams, connect ideas with arrows, and write notes in your own words. Step 3. Reinforce with retrieval. This is how you test the structure. Now, test your foundation. Can you rebuild it from scratch? Close the book, look at a blank page, and try to explain the concept out loud or draw the diagram from memory. This is where the real learning happens. Every time you force your brain to retrieve information, you are strengthening the neural pathway. You are telling your brain, this is important. Make it permanent. Step 4. Reflect and refine. This is the final inspection. Stop reviewing with guilt. Start reflecting with strategy. A 2-minute inspection at the end of your session can save you 10 hours of wasted effort next week. Ask yourself, what did I understand well, and what is still a little shaky? Make a note to revisit that shaky part tomorrow. This is how you build with precision, not just brute force. Every focused minute, every concept you grasp, every connection you make. You are not just studying, you are building resilience. You are building confidence. You are building a version of yourself that is capable of achieving things others only dream of. This is your life. You are the architect, the blueprint is in your hands. Stop shuffling bricks. Start building your legacy. So don't just study today, build. Start with one mission. Lay one brick. What is the one thing you will build today? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. If this helped you, subscribe for more strategies to architect your success. Now go build your future.